Hi guys, this is Bagwati. This is very important. मैं इसे नीचे भी नहीं रखने देती हूँ. My tiny perfume. It's my Jimmy Choo. I like it. सब कुछ ही important है, but keys और phone पे ज़्यादा panic करूँगी. Wallet ठीक है. I think I would want to peek into Priyanka Chopra's. Hi, this is Gavita Sadhwani, and I'm doing What's in My Bag segment with India Forums. Watch out. Hi guys, this is Bagwati. I actually call this bag Bagwati क्योंकि ये मेरे लिए बहुत precious है. मेरी sister इसे US से लाई थी, and this is also the first luxury bag that I ever bought with my own money. So this is very important. मैं इसे नीचे भी नहीं रखने देती हूँ. Although मैंने इसको इतना rough use कर लिया है कि इसकी हालत थोड़ी ख़राब हो गई है, but it's a very sturdy bag. And now let's see what's in it. So आज मैं ज़्यादा सामान नहीं लाई हूँ. You will just see a lot of beauty products. ये है मेरा ड्राई शैम्पू बिकॉज आई हैव रियली ऑयली हेयर एंड मुंबई बहुत ह्यूमिड है. दिस इज़ माई टाइनी परफ्यूम. इट्स माई जिमी चू. आई लाइक इट. एंड देन आई हैव ऑफ कोर्स अ स्क्रंची बिकॉज यू नो इसको तो मैं वैसे ऐसे रखती हूँ. एंड देन देयर इज माई फोन. देयर इज दिस with a hair strand. There's this wooden comb with one hair strand. There's my wooden comb. उसके बाद है मेरी मेकअप किट. अब मैं इस बैग को ऐसे रख देती हूँ. इस मेकअप किट में है ऑफ कोर्स मेरा बेसिक सामान. फाउंडेशन, पाउडर, मस्कारा, ब्लश, because you got a blush, dry cutting, nose cutting. I cannot go without it. बेसिक. और इससे ज़्यादा कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग नहीं है. इयररिंग्स इन केस मुझे पहनने होते. अनदर हेयर प्रोडक्ट. इट्स अ हेयर सीरम. दे शुड रियली पे मी. मैंने उन्हें प्रमोट कर दिया. देयर इज अ सनस्क्रीन. दिस इज अ वेरी नाइस सनस्क्रीन क्योंकि इट्स स्प्रे ऑन. एंड देयर इज नथिंग एल्स. A tampon if I need it. That's it.
Okay, what is the one item in your bag that you can't leave home without?
One second. वो item कहाँ? Car keys. Can't leave without it. How will I go?
Okay. Is there something in your bag that's been there for months and you still haven't used it?
Nothing actually. क्योंकि इस बैग में सिर्फ ऐसी ही चीज़ें हैं कि जो मैं यूज़ करूँ. इसमें सिर्फ मेरे essentials हैं honestly.
Okay. Do you carry a lucky charm or something sentimental?
I do. इस बैग में नहीं है. There's this tiny wallet that I have. मैं यहाँ आ रही थी तो मैंने निकाल नहीं दिया. वो मेरी कार में बैग में पड़ा है. Basically it's a tiny wallet जिसमें I keep गुरुजी का स्वरूप and I also keep a note जिसका serial number एक है जिसका 777 है, which is like an angel number, so I always keep it. I never spend it. Like there's this note with a 777 that I got and I keep it.
Okay. Wallet, phone, keys. Which one do you panic about the most if it's missing?
सब कुछ ही important है, but keys और phone पे ज़्यादा panic करूँगी. Wallet ठीक है.
Okay. What's your go-to perfume or fragrance that's always in your bag?
This one that I just showed you, but there's one more which I use. That's the Gucci one, which I was using during Rishta. वो खत्म हो गया है, so I change my perfumes when I change projects. Now, right now I'm using this. It's a Jimmy Choo. I don't know the exact name, but it's a very musky perfume. मतलब इसका बहुत ही, it's not floral. I usually use floral perfumes, but this one is a little musky.
What beauty product do you carry but rarely use?
The dry shampoo. I think this serum. Because I don't really need hair serum, but I keep it because अभी जैसे frizzy हो रहे हैं, अभी भी हो रहे होंगे इस interview में बाल, तो I keep it.
Okay. Lip balm or lipstick? What's your lip essential?
Lip balm. If this would have been my actual bag, इसमें 4 तरह के lip balm होते हैं. वो भी नहीं है इसमें.
Do you have a mini vanity in there?
Yeah, you just saw it.
Is there a beauty hack item you always carry, like a spoolie, blotting paper, or a secret compact mirror?
Yeah, I think the makeup kit has a compact. इसमें होगा सब कुछ. I carry all this stuff. So everything that's in here, like a powder and everything, and then this would have a mirror or something. ऐसी चीज़ें मेरे पास हैं. And mirror तो you can just use your phone. But I just need my blush and my contour all the time.
Okay. What's the most random thing in your bag right now?
Random thing. I don't know why this is here. I don't even use Boroline, and it doesn't even have Boroline. It's just the khali dabba. I don't know why it's there.
Okay, ever carried snacks meant for someone else and eaten them yourself?
All the time. But I think I always carry my own snacks anyway. But they're in my car, not in my bag. You don't put food in bag, Vati.
Right. If someone dumped out your bag right now, what would surprise people the most?
Nothing. कुछ था ही नहीं क्योंकि मेरा बैग एक्चुअल वाला है ही नहीं. एक्चुअल बैग मेरी गाड़ी में है.
Okay, if you have to raid one celebrity's bag, who would it be?
Raid.
Yeah, if you would want to peek into someone's bag.
Peek into someone's bag. Mm, I think I would want to peek into Priyanka Chopra's bag.
Okay.
She had some cool stuff. She travels a lot. I think I would like to peek into it.
Okay, right. Lastly, if you're isolated on an island, three essential things if you have to carry from your bag, what would they be?
From this bag?
This bag.
मतलब इसके अलावा ऑप्शन नहीं है.
Ah, in general, like three essentials.
Phone, money. I don't know what will money do on an isolated island. I don't need money on an isolated island, na?
Right.
I'd carry my phone. I'd carry my pepper spray. I don't know, just in case. And I would carry. I should keep a gun in my bag. But if I had a gun, I would carry a gun so that I don't know. At least I could signal or something.
Right. Are you someone who has a bag fetish?
Yes, I have, but I'm also very like right now I don't want to splurge, so I don't buy a lot of luxury bags. So I'll have one large luxury bag, then I'll have one sling, and I want to buy a one mid-size bag. That's all. अभी मैं splurge नहीं कर रही हूँ. अभी मैं उस stage पे नहीं आई हूँ. मैं करूँगी. एक दिन वो होगा जब मेरा एक closet होगा जिसमें bag भी bag होंगे. It will happen. Bags and heels. But right now I'm investing so that that day can come.
Thank you so much, Garvita. Thank you.
Thank you.